Dear ladies and gentlemen, we know a lot about vitamin C. We know its relations to Hungary, in reference to Albert Szent-Györgyi. Vitamin C is a water-soluble, important, essential vitamin found in fruits and vegetables. The human body cannot produce this substance or store it for long, so, for the health of our body, it must be taken in the necessary amounts, through diet or appropriate supplements. The vitamin C content of fruits and vegetables is greatly reduced by storage and processing conditions, such as cooking. Vitamin C is degraded by light, heat and also air. So it is very sensitive. The water-soluble vitamin C taken orally in capsules or tablets is not stable in the stomach. It is broken down by enzymes in the gastric acid. For this reason, in the small intestine, where vitamin C is absorbed, it cannot be absorbed. It means that its bioavailability and biological activity are low. Non-absorbed vitamin C is excreted in the urine or feces and cannot be stored in the human body for long periods of time. This is a very serious problem when we consider the important physiological role and health benefits of vitamin C. What is the solution? Unfortunately, the classic forms, such as capsules, tablets, other water-soluble forms, are all ineffective. But a few years ago, the so-called liposomal vitamin C came out. Liposome is a phospholipid of natural origin, which has a water-soluble head group and a two-part tail group which is fat-soluble. This special, natural phospholipid material forms a small, mini-sphere, and in the inside, there is the active ingredient, which is an aqueous medium. This is also where vitamin C goes, to the aqueous medium. It is surrounded by a bilayer of phospholipid, which is a protective layer. The diameter of this small sphere is a few hundred nanometers, much smaller than the size of our hair, for example. Think of this liposome, this tiny little globule, as an onion. It has several layers, and a protective layer of layers. When this liposomal, fat-soluble little sphere reaches the surface of our cells, which is made up of the same double layer, it sits in the cell membrane, releases the liquid it contains, in our case vitamin C, which is then absorbed into the bloodstream via the surface of the small intestine and is carried by the bloodstream to our various organs and cells. Based on the current scientific data and results, liposomal vitamin C clearly has beneficial properties. It provides almost maximum absorption and bioavailability. Its absorption rate is 98%, compared to a maximum of 10 to 12% for conventional vitamin C. It provides the body with a dose of vitamin C that meets its needs. Liposome allows better physiological effects and in fact allows better dose-dependent effects. Vitamin C is much more stable in liposomal form. This form also allows better biotransport into the small intestine and then from there into the bloodstream, and that's a very important thing to be able to control. More if you need it, less if you do not need it. Because of its lipid nature, the liposomal material is converted into nutrients in our cells, so it is transformed into building blocks of our cells. This is not the case with traditional vitamin C. Our new product, Fenu-C Plus by Flavin, is a liposomal vitamin C supplement capsule.
A Fenu-C-nek az összetevői. A C-vitamin kalcium-aszkorbát formájában van jelen.
The ingredients of Fenu-C are vitamin C, in the form of calcium ascorbate, a galactomannan fiber extracted from fenugreek seeds, sunflower lecithin, cellulose and gelatin, which is the capsule shell. In our product as well, vitamin C is enclosed in liposomes consisting of natural phospholipids. Then the liposomes themselves are placed in a hydrogen system derived from fenugreek seeds, which are produced by freezing. This provides greater stability and greater flexibility to the liposomal form. This is in fact the so-called Fenu-mat technology used to make Fenu-C Plus. The product is a self-emulsifying, reversible hydrogel system based on water-soluble galactomannan dietary fibers derived from fenugreek seeds. This is a unique and very specific and special feature. The technology is a completely water-based process. It uses neither organic solvents nor organic chemicals. About the dosage of Fenu-C Plus, 1 capsule per day is recommended to be swallowed with plenty of liquid. It is also very important to note that Fenu-C Plus is a third-generation dietary supplement. We can decide which form of vitamin C we use for our health. We have options, let's choose wisely.